You know, sometimes even those with a kind heart gets tired. I have a kind heart. I am a very giving person, y'all. And so many people mistake that for weakness or stupidity, or I don't know what it is. But I'm not dumb. I do have a kind heart. I am a nice person. But don't mistake it that I can't flip the script. And usually when I flip the script, it's because I've taken so much behind closed doors. So much behind closed doors. And usually when I'm speaking out or I'm sharing, like I've been sharing today, of the harassing of the group chat and all the phone numbers, I'm going to keep sharing because I've been quiet for long enough. People been trying to say I'm paranoid and this ain't happening and I'm delusional and however you need to see it, the world is finna know I'm not delusional. I ain't never been delusional. I just been quiet and I ain't been sharing the nonsense. Yeah, you hear my mouth going about it. You hear me complaining about it. So many people have been hearing me complain about it. And they want to keep saying I'm delusional. We gonna see who delusional at the end of the day. Okay? Because I'm gonna keep sharing. Long as y'all keep playing on my phone and keep harassing me, I'm just gonna keep sharing it. I'm not crazy. I'm not delusional. Yes, I have disappeared out of a lot of people's lives, family, friends. I have disappeared, out of a lot of people's lives because they didn't know how to treat me with the same honor and respect and morals and integrity that I was given. So I disappeared. I ain't finna keep going back and forth. I don't want to throw dirt on dirt. I don't want to be toxic with you smiling in my face and talking shit about me behind my back. Because I don't treat people in that manner. If I got a problem with you, I'm gonna let you know. Today, the atmosphere got stirred a little bit because all these people that's been in the group text, the multiple group texts, keep adding me on almost on the daily. You know, it was happening. I'm not finna keep going through that. I'm gonna start exposing it. Today, I started dialing numbers. So everybody that's been in the group chat, long as you keep playing with me with these group chats, I'm gonna keep calling y'all. I'm gonna keep exposing y'all. Don't play with me. And I won't play with you. I don't bother nobody. I've been minding my business. And I'm 99% sure that's the problem. Because I ain't seen nobody but my mama. I don't deal with nobody but my mama. Because she need me. She's elderly. She needs me. Okay? The rest of y'all kick rocks. Y'all disrespectful selves. I don't be bothered because y'all took my kindness for granted. You didn't know how to treat me. You thought you can keep just shitting on me and thought I was just going to keep giving to you. I'm not. I'm tired. I'm fed up. I ain't mad at nobody. But all that love that I used to give, I just pour it back over here into me. That's all. I'm still a loving person. That y'all know. I'm still that kind person. I'm still that person that like had a good time, like to crack jokes, you know. I'm still that person. I just devote all that time and energy to me. That's it. Because when I was giving my time and energy and my love to other people, you didn't respect it, you know? You took it for granted. So now I don't be bothered. That's it. That's all. Self-love. That's what I'm on. Y'all want to know where I'm at? That's where I've been at. Loving Jacqueline. Devoted to Zoladonsfreshmarket. That's it. That's what I've been doing. I suggest y'all go find y'all something to do and get y'all a little business, a little LLC to focus on. Get y'all some hobbies to focus on. Quit focusing on me, because I'm over here minding my business, not bothering nobody. And today, y'all disturbed my peace. Y'all got what y'all wanted. Y'all disturbed my peace today. You got what you wanted. You succeeded today. So now I'm finna disrupt some lies. The same way y'all been trying to disrupt my life, and I still been trying to be quiet about it and keep the peace about it. I'm not being quiet no more. I'm not keeping the peace no more in y'all world, okay? The same way y'all keep trying to disrupt my day and keep trying to disrupt my peace, I'm finna just keep exposing it. So, keep doing what you do, and I'm gonna keep doing what I do. Because at the end of the day, God see all of it. God know I'm not bothering nobody. God know I'm over here in my house minding my business, not messing with nobody. But I am tired. I am fed up. Okay? I don't care about nobody, how they feel, how you feel about what I've been doing today by calling y'all phones the same way y'all been calling me. Yes, I've been blowing y'all numbers up. Because the difference between you and I is that I face my demons head on. So, y'all want beef with me? Here I go. And I'm pretty sure if y'all can hack my phone, tap my phone, however y'all keep getting into my phone and sending these messages and all y'all stupid ass block, pull up if you want real beef. Because real gangsters don't hide. Real gangsters don't put you in the group chat. Real gangsters pull up. So pull up, ho. You know where I'm at. But it's just that. You a hoe ass nigga, cracker, whatever you is. You a hoe ass ninja. That's why you keep hiding in the group text. That's why you won't pull up. That's why you won't place a call. You got beef? Here I go. Here I go. Pull up. Because I'm tired. You wanted to disrupt my peace. You succeeded today. And now I'm talking about it. And I'm going to keep sharing. Okay? The same way folks is out here using my social security number, I'm going to keep sharing that too. To my cousin Jermaine, the motorcycle that you had my information on your paperwork. Homeboy, don't do that again. Don't do that again, okay? What I am is fed up with people taking my kindness for granted. Because I treat people with respect. I treat people with the respect I want to be given. I don't disrespect nobody. And if I come for you disrespecting you, it's because you done press my ass to the limit, baby. Because I don't be bothering nobody. I like peace. Y'all watch my TikTok. Y'all watch my YouTube. Whatever you may be watching this on right now. I be in the garden. I be cooking. I be doing my little crocs and crafting. I mind my business. Every day. But, like I say, y'all wanted to disturb my peace? You got what you wanted today. Here I go. Pull up if you want beef. Every time you come in my chat, in my phone, however y'all getting in my phone, keep sending these messages, I'm going to keep sharing it, okay? So, like I always like to say, it's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. I'm going to keep sharing, and I'm going to keep transmuting this energy like I've been doing. Instead of going out, returning that energy, I go create. So, I'm going to get back to creating like I do. Okay? Y'all have a good day. And I'll catch y'all on the next video and on the next creation. Bye.